Hello friends, and welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Today we are in zone 5, which is the family room. Today we are in zone 5, which is the family room, or your living room, or parlor, or den, but it's the main area where your family congregates. So today I am picking 4 things that I can hit in this zone. Now I went over in a previous video what you do in each zone, and it's there to help you to declutter at first if you're starting up zone cleaning. So if you have any hot spots like your end tables, your magazine racks, any drawers that may have turned into junk drawers for you, it's a way to help you declutter 15 minutes a day. So I could choose to do 15 minutes a day in my zone and tackle an area, but I don't do that. I don't have time for that with my schedule. I take 1 hour and I hit it and I get it done. So today I'm going to be cleaning inside our entertainment center, just straightening it up. I think I have some movies that have been in there since Halloween that need to go to their home. Give it a good dust. Then I'm going to be dusting this shelf right here, giving that a good deeper dust. On my weekly home blessings, I go in with a feather duster and do that. And then I am going to vacuum as far as I can get with the tube of my vacuum underneath my couches. And I'm going to take all the cushions off my couch, vacuum inside the couches and the cushions themselves, along with my 2 captain chairs that I have. Now, if you remember from my New Year's cleaning video, I really deep cleaned this area because we took down the Christmas tree and we had all the snow and the glitter and all of that from Christmas. And I did a really good deep vacuum and dusting in here, but I didn't tackle the couches. I wanted to rip the cushions off and get in there, but I kept telling myself, no, the zone is coming. Don't overdo things. So I waited till today and we're going to tackle inside the couch cushions. They're not bad. So I do want to tackle my bookcases and just straighten them up and just make them look nicer. And so not a whole lot today. I don't have to go deep into it because there's not a lot of clutter, and I really tackled it right after Christmas. So, all right friends, get your aprons on and let's tackle zone 5. Aprons on, let's go. Seriously?
That's not me.
I hope that motivated you. I really do. I hope that motivated you to get up and do your zone 5. So I was thinking about it. What will I do in this zone in the family room next month? Like, what will I tackle? I think what I'm gonna try to do is tackle my windows and wash them inside and out. Even though it's still kind of a rainy season and sometimes it snows, I think I just want some of the fingerprints gone. So that might be one of the things I do. Also for next month, I want to put some family pictures on the wall. We just got family pictures done the end of the year in December, and they turned out so good, so I can't wait to frame them and get them on our walls. Another tip for you that I have for zone cleaning is think about what is it that you want to do to maybe redecorate in that area. What is there an area in that room that you kind of want to spice up a bit? The first suggestion I have for you before you go out and hit any of the stores, like all the fun stores like Hobby Lobby and Home Goods, is to shop your home. Do you have decorations in a box that you could pull out and maybe scatter around. Maybe switch something from another room and bring it into this room to spice it up. I do that a lot, and I've shared that with you over the years. I will move decorations around to just spruce up the area, and it feels like I went shopping. It feels good. I did get one new thing, not for this room, but I had a tea party with my daughter, and I ended up getting a nice wooden tray. And I could use it as a charcuterie board, but I have it on our coffee table, and it just holds basically the tissues and the remotes, but I decorated it a bit. I wanted to have it out and be functional and cute, and not just have it hide away in my pantry or in a cupboard when I just want to use it for a charcuterie board or tea time. So having it out like this, I get to use it all the time. So think about that when you're also in zone 5. Doesn't mean, yes, if you're gonna get rid of a lot of clutter, to bring in more clutter, but what can you do to maybe spice up the area? Try shopping your home. All right, friends, I made progress in this room. It feels so, so good. So next zone will be zone 1 that I'll be sharing with you, and that's your front porch, your entryway, or your dining room. A lot of the zone in that one is also in your dining room, but I don't add that one in. In the comments below, tell me what you're doing in zone 5. I would love to know. All right, friends, thank you for joining me. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Are you gonna go?
You're making me nervous. Jonah is on the couch, and I'm embarrassed to do my intro and outro. Isn't that funny? Dad, I have no problem around Dad.
Just go.
All right, here we go.